Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. I'm Pierre Farrugia and today I'm in Zurrieq. There is the Blue Grotto arch and today we're going to do the Wied Babu area, which is down here, which it will be very nice. I'm going to start from here, which very close there is a small parking, and we're going first trek on top of the valley and then we go down. So let's join me in this adventure. Here we are on top of Wied Babu now, exactly on top. You can see it ends in the sea, and these are some scenic views and how beautiful this place is. We will trek all the way around and then we go down from there, and hopefully we go down all the way to the sea. We've done this, so let's explore this area. I excuse myself if sometimes the audio is not perfect, but today is 4-6 northwest and hopefully here it will be a little bit sheltered, and once we go into the valley should be more so. There we will find some soldiers doing some training, upset training. I think we'll pass by them soon. So let's continue this trip. There are two routes to Wied Babu. One is following the top of the valley, or from the valley cliffs, from the rocks and the soil. And the other one can walk up here there on the pavement and then go down little bit more up. This part here is a little bit more challenging and not suitable for anybody, but anybody who can do trekking is easily done. So let's choose. I let you choose what are your comfort levels. So now I have to go up the wall and continue all the way to find the stairs. Let's continue. And another feature from here, you can see this rock. It's like a big bear with the legs and its head. As we go from here, you'll get a very nice view. It's very famous here for abseiling. I will put a link up when we came here. And we have police forces and soldiers doing training here. Mela, while walking on the cliff edge, take a good look to the railing and you will see a metal ladder. This is exactly in front of the fireworks factory, the cream building with a red line on it. So when you reach this area, you can start moving this path, and this path will lead you down to the valley. Because it's bit slippery, you follow this path until we reach the valley. Here you can see that somebody even took the care to cut some stairs in the rock. Go. Follow the easy spot and it will lead you in the valley bed. Now I found the steps going down, which make the life more easy. And you continue other steps and you go till down there. Now I have reached the bed of the valley. I have to pass in this tunnel made of trees. Very nice. And now this is the valley bed, and we're going to follow the path until we try to reach the sea. Take care here, it's a little bit low, but it's easily negotiated, just like a path. This is what you expect to see once you are in the valley. Remember, this is Wied Babu. And as you go out from here, it will start to open up until we reach the sea. There's walls that were built here like dams, so take care, because if you fall here it will not be life-threatening, but it will not be nice. Look at the walls. Now you can see more clear views of this area because the valley opens up. You still have to walk on these rocks. So people coming here, please take note. It's not for everybody, but it's very. Today we might encounter soldiers because they are doing training here. Beautiful this was, yeah? Oops. Can anyone tell me the name Wied Babu, its origins? And maybe someone knows why it has been called Wied Babu. As you can see, the trek is a little bit adventurous, so take care who comes here. It's easy, but I try to let anybody know what you getting up to. But the views are amazing, yeah? Everywhere you look. I will try to go down this area because I've never been, and we try to follow the path if we find it. Yes. They are doing some training here, abseiling and climbing. He's doing climbing and he's doing abseiling. Now I have reached the bed again and I'm trying pushing to that side. Looks like there's a path one can follow. Look at the rocks formations here. Amazing, yeah? Another area of this valley. I'm not sure. I will continue on this top part because going down there the vegetation is too high and it looks like stones. Let's try from this side. It's very interesting, yeah, this area. Let's see if I can go down, but I think there will be a part. Well, as you can see from here, you have to go down by this rope. It's about 3 to 4 meters drop, but still you can get injured, and I will put the camera down so I can go down safely the last part. It's not so high, so it's not that dangerous, okay? But it's not easy and can be done by everybody. Let's continue. And we came up from there, we walked all the way up there. Now we're going down from there, and now here with the rope, and we're going this side. So we're still pushing on, slowly but pushing on. Looks like we're going to hit our target today as well. From here we can see the sea again. Doesn't look it's going to be an easy trek. Look at this big boulder. Lots of big boulders here coming down. It's an amazing place, isn't it? So I put the camera down so it's going down. These are the obstacles you will find here or challenges to go down. So I remind everybody that this place is not for everybody because it can be a little bit dangerous. But the views are rewarding, yeah? And we are still going down towards the sea. These are the paths you will find to go down. They are not impossible, but it's good people know what they will encounter at the end. That's why we do such videos. So people coming here, they can be prepared and know what they will be facing. It's very, very nice and interesting. Yeah. I really enjoying myself. Pity that my teammates Vince and Angelo today they couldn't come because it would have been much of a fun, and we have found another small obstacle and we have to go down like small stairs. So I put the camera again, once again. And we are getting much closer to the sea, and you can hear the sea now. Here you can see there's a small cave. As you all know, I'm fascinated by caves. And last time I had a comment about some people telling me I'm funny going these places alone with the face mask. I totally agree with you, but unfortunately that's the law. And especially people who make videos, they have to give example to others to always wear the mask. And like this, nobody gets in trouble, and hopefully our beautiful country recovers from this big problem. So let's continue enjoying this quiet place here. The final part of Wied Babu. Look at the walls, how high they are. I assume they are 190 meters high. Here we are getting very close to the sea. You can see the sea there. This is the final part. Looks challenging as well, but look at this walls, how beautiful they are. Beautiful, look back. Beautiful, eh? We are still going down the last part. Finally, we should be very close. Always take great care. Oops. You can see some debris from the sea here, so when it's very rough, I assume will be full of water here. And again I will remove the camera so I can go down safely down there. Well, I have gone down all this part, and now we have reached the sea. I will try to move closer if I can, so we can reach the sea exactly. But after this beautiful trek, finally we have reached the sea. Look how beautiful and rewarding this place is. Huh? This is the last part. I can walk in this area. You have to take care of these places, because if something happens to you, nobody will know about you and will find you here unless you tell your relatives or your friends that you're coming here. And we have reached the end of our journey today, because there's nowhere we can walk down here. How beautiful this area is. Amazing, yeah? Well, this is the view you get once you are here. Look at the rocks, how the formation, how strange it is. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. This valley has been amazing. Hope you can hear me well, because it's very windy down here. If some people come here, take care and know your limitations, because it's not that easy like other places. But until next time, bye bye.